In this video, I'll demonstrate how to perform an outer join manually in Excel. Really, Excel doesn't support an outer join, but we're going to use VLOOKUP to kind of imitate that. So the first thing we have to do is we have to get a complete set of all unique identifiers. So I'm going to take the Muppet ID from both our tables, our left table and our right table. I'm just going to append them together, highlight them all, and go up to Data and Remove Duplicates. And just accept the defaults. It says it removes some and 6 are remaining. So I'm going to then cut and paste those into my result table there. And then I'm just going to use those IDs to look up the appropriate columns in each of the left and the right table. So we'll start with the left table first. We'll do VLOOKUP. We want to look up Muppet ID to the left. And for the name column, we want to look it up from the left table. And hit F4 to make sure that table doesn't shift when I copy. And then I'll hit comma, and I want the second column. And false means an exact match. I'm going to do the same thing for the right table, VLOOKUP. The lookup values right there to the left. I want to highlight and say this is the table I want you to look it up in. Hit F4 so the table doesn't move. And for the wage per hour, that's in column 2. And false for exact match. And then I'm just going to copy and paste that formula to the right since I'm using the same lookup table. Hit F2. You can see it shows me the lookup table, but this lookup value is in the wrong spot. So if I just move my mouse until the cursor changes to that crosshairs, I'm going to shift the lookup value back to the Muppet ID. And that works, but I need it to do column 3. So I'm going to come over here and change 2 to 3. And then I'll just highlight that and use my fill handle, double click it to copy down. And you can see that in outer join, make sure that all rows from both tables are represented. And if they don't have a match, it puts nulls on the appropriate side of the table where there is no match. So that's how you do a outer join in Excel using VLOOKUP.